Lutron Amazon Prime Day 2025 Sale. Smart lighting savings you don't want to miss. Amazon Prime Day 2025 from October 7th to 8th features Lutron Electronics Caséta smart lighting at discounted rates. A 20% discount on starter kits and 15% on dimmer switches are available from October 2nd to 8th. Deals are showcased on Amazon's featured deals page, facilitating lighting upgrades. The Prime Day discount is 20% off, includes Diva Smart Dimmer, Pico Remote, and Smart Hub. Compatible with Alexa, Google, HomeKit, offers smooth dimming and wireless setup. A great value for smart lighting transformation. The Prime Day discount is 20% off, includes dimmer switch, remote, pedestal, and Smart Hub. Expandable, perfect for multi-room setups with voice assistant compatibility. The Prime Day discount is 20% off. Entry-level kit includes Smart Dimmer and Hub, ideal for first-time smart home users seeking reliable lighting control. The Prime Day discount is 20% off. Includes full multi-room setup with wall plates, remotes, and hub for expansion. Ideal for scaling smart lighting quickly. The Prime Day discount is 20% off, covers 2 rooms, includes dimmer switches and accessories, and offers voice assistant compatibility. Maximize convenience with this comprehensive kit. The Prime Day discount is 15% off, works alone or with Smart Hub, Alexa, Google, Apple integration, smooth dimming, perfect for expanding Caséta setups. The Prime Day discount is 15% off. Simple design with Lutron reliability, compatible with Caséta setups, and major voice assistants. Perfect, affordable upgrade. Ecosystems include Alexa, Google, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings. Lutron Clear Connect ensures stable, low-latency performance. If you're new to smart lighting, choose a Caséta starter kit, 20% off, for hub-enabled compatibility. Existing owners can expand with dimmers at 15%. Available exclusively on Amazon during Prime Day 2025 from October 2nd to 8th. Membership required for access. Lutron seldom offers Caséta discounts, making 20% off starter kits and 15% off standalone units exceptional values. Highly rated for reliability and performance.
Go to GearBrain for more information.